Good afternoon. Welcome to Movers and Shakers on CNBC TV 18. Absolutely. Let's quickly get down to the big movers then. Atul Auto is a stock on our radar right now. It just showed up for you on your screen. I think it's a 5% up move on that particular stock. The company is planning to do a rights issue. Vijay Kedia, the director of Atul Auto, joins us now to talk about that. Vijay, hi, afternoon. What kind of fundraising are you planning via this rights issue, and what would these funds be utilized for?
Yeah, I will tell you, all these things will be decided on 25th of June when we are scheduled to meet for right issue. Right now I can tell you that we have some capital expenditure of around 30 crore this year, 12 months from now. So for that we need some fund, and it would be a modest right issue. This much I can tell you at this point of time.
Okay, Mr. Kedia, could you also tell us what kind of price, any indication that you all would be comfortable with? Because Atul Auto has surged quite considerably in the past 1 month. I think it's gone from levels of about 60 rupees to about 80 rupees. And even if you perhaps can't share with us a likely ratio, what's the kind of dilutions that the promoters perhaps would be comfortable with?
Valuation in sense of what? Right issue you are talking about?
Yes, sir.
That I don't know what could be the valuation. That will be decided by the board, which is scheduled to be meet on 25th of June. At this point of time, I can tell you that it would be a modest issue, and the fund will be raised to expand our existing capacity.
How much of an expansion are you looking at, Vijay, in your capacity? Currently, where does it stand? And are you looking to double it? Because that's what reports do suggest.
Yeah, correct. Right now we have a capacity of 24,000 vehicles, which we plan to increase to 48,000 in 2 years' time. So obviously the fund will be required for that expansion.
And what will this capacity expansion do to your revenue profile? What is it that you're targeting in FY11?
Revenue, I can at this point of, like for example, the data which we have submitted to SIAM in the month of April and May, we have grown more than 100%. I can't tell you the exact data for the whole year, but obviously we will grow, I think, around 50% for the whole year.
Vijay, just a word on how the business is shaping up for you, because you primarily manufacture three-wheelers, and now in this particular space, lots of heavy or lots of the bigger players like M&M and Tata Motors have launched cheaper four-wheelers in this particular space that will probably give some sort of competition to three-wheeler manufacturers like yours. What kind of a demand are you expecting? Are you expecting to see significant competition from all of these cheaper four-wheelers like the M&M Geo, the Tata Ace, etc.?
Tata Ace is into four-wheelers, okay, Mahindra, and we don't have any competition from Tata Ace because we are selling at, say, 1,25,000 per vehicle, and Tata Ace is selling for 300,000. So that's a lot of difference. And so far, three-wheeler is concerned, three-wheeler market is growing by 20% per annum. Last year it was around 30%. So there is a huge demand for three-wheelers in the market. So I don't see there is any competition coming up from Tata Ace or from for Mahindra that matter.
Okay, many thanks Mr. Kedia for joining us and taking us through that. That is Atul Auto. So wait by on June 25th where we'll come to know more about their rights issue and the price and the ratio, more details on how much they're planning to raise. Currently, he's saying that they have 30 crores in terms of capex lined up. But with that, we wrap up Movers and Shakers. Business Lunch comes up next and takes all the market action forward.